Hi everyone, this is Chun in Leshan. I'm now at the Leshan Giant Buddha Cultural Plaza. Today is the Lantern Festival in China. Now, a visual feast, drone light show is about to come. As you can see, 3,000 drones are in place. They will fly up into the sky at 8 p.m. and then transform into a variety of colorful and dazzling patterns in the night sky. Let's look forward to the drone light show. At 8 p.m., a fleet of 3,000 drones ascended from the Giant Buddha Cultural Plaza, soaring to an altitude of 300 meters. In the night sky, they transformed into unique shapes and patterns, creating a breathtaking visual spectacle that blended technology, culture, and art. The playful spirit monkeys from Mount Emei, the majestic Leshan Giant Buddha, and the golden statue of Samantabhadra at the Mount Emei summit, iconic symbols of Leshan, lit up the night. As the drone's lights shifted, a scene of two dragons playing with a pearl emerged. The dragon, a central totem of Chinese culture, and the pearl, believed to ward off disasters and symbolize good fortune, expressed wishes for prosperity and blessings. Following this, two phoenixes appeared, symbolizing harmony and love between couples. This year marks the Year of the Snake in lunar calendar, and in traditional zodiac culture, the snake represents mystery, agility, and wisdom. The golden snake imagery conveyed auspicious wishes for the year, hoping for good fortune. As a signature part of Chinese culture, the Spring Festival, also called Chinese New Year, is one of the most important festivals practiced in China and around the world. By the end of 2024, the Spring Festival was inscribed on UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The 2025 Spring Festival thus became the first to be celebrated as an intangible cultural heritage element. This modern drone light show demonstrated the unique charm of Leshan, offering both locals and visitors an unforgettable visual feast and a special blessing for the Lantern Festival.